This click-clack basin waste was completely corroded, so there was not much choice other than to replace it completely. Luckily, being in a vanity unit, it wasn't too difficult to access, as you can see by the video. I began by removing the trap by just unscrewing it, and then unscrewing the lower part of the trap to swivel it around out the way. These large box spanners are great, but unfortunately, as you can see, they don't always seem to fit every single nut. This one wasn't too tight, so I managed to get just about a grip on it just to undo it. I've often used silicone when fitting basin waste because I find it does create a good seal, but as you can see here, trying to remove it can be difficult. With a bit of persistence and using the grips and spinning it around, scraping out the silicone, it normally comes out fairly easy. If you're finding this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more plumbing tips like this. I then give it a good clean, scrape off all the old silicone from above and as much as possible from below to give a bit more of a cleaner surface. This is the first time I'm using a Basin Mate, which I've been recommended a few times. This allows to create a great seal from underneath with a huge rubber washer. It's got a foam washer that goes on the top, which seems quite nice, because the rubber washers aren't often that good, and this is the big fat rubber washer. It's also got the plastic seating which sits between the nut and the washer. Here's the foam washer going on now. Bit tight getting it on, which indicates it's going to be a nice snug fit, which I liked. plastic seating then goes on, and you screw on the back nut, get that nice and tight. Luckily my box spanners did actually fit on this one, so get a nice tight fixing. This is why P-traps are great, because they can just swing in and out when you need to do a bit of maintenance on them. Get that all tightened back up. I can always give the basin a good test. I normally run about 10 bowls of water down it just to make sure. Don't want to be getting any callbacks. You've got a nice new leak-free click-clack basin waste. Job done.